Patriotic streamer. Materials: snack box, construction paper, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, ruler, glue stick, tape, pencil. Optional materials: Appleton red bag. With scissors, trim the flaps off the top and bottom of the snack box, leaving the two side flaps on the top to be used later. Measure the snack box with a ruler, and then cut out the corresponding size of blue construction paper to cover all sides of the snack box. Measure and cut out 3 wide strips of white paper. Measure and cut out 8 small narrow strips of white paper. Fold the wide white strips of paper into thirds. Draw a star on one side of the paper and cut the star out, giving you 3 stars. Cover the surface of the snack box with the glue stick and place the pre-cut blue construction paper on top. Press firmly. Repeat on all sides of the snack box. Glue 2 stars and 4 narrow strips on the large side of the snack box. Glue 3 stars on the narrow side of the snack box. Flip the snack box over and repeat the pattern. Trim the excess paper hanging off the snack box. For this next step, you can use red construction paper or a red Appleton bag. Cut out 1 long strip for a handle and then cut strips in even intervals. Use tape to attach the red strips to the inside bottom of the snack box. Place the strips around the snack box evenly. Use the remaining strips to cover the 2 remaining side flaps of the snack box. Secure with the glue stick. Trim the excess paper as needed. With tape, attach the remaining long strip to both flaps of the snack box to create a handle. Now you have a patriotic streamer. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.